Decisions. Some green chartreuse. Oh, some rum. Oh yeah, some cognac, a little bit of Hennessy. I'm really not sure what it is I should actually film today. Maybe some orange curacao. And what the hell is that? I have a box. Oh yeah. However, I do need a knife. What the hell? Geez. This is starting to get scary. Oh. Well, at least I got a good knife. And let's see what we have. There's no name attached to this box. We have, yay, stuff. An iPad and a note. What is this? David, thank you for joining our newest venture. We have sent you a top-of-the-line iPad for your work. Yeah, I don't think so, buddy. Anyways, this will guide you through the process of making your channel new. What? This will also randomly select your new look. Enjoy. P.S. If this does not, David, I want my iPad back. The Russian. Let's see what it does. Welcome back to Booze and Rocks, where we make cocktails for everyone. My name is David Edwards, and today we are doing something slightly different. As you'll notice by the layout and the way I'm doing things, you know what? April Fools! It's really Carl from Alchemic's Bar. No, so I agreed to do something interesting, and doing that, I'm presenting my cocktail very much like Carl and Riley do on Alchemic's Bar. And you know what? I hope you really like it, and I really would like you to go check out their small channel and subscribe to them, give them some love, and take a look at the work they do, because it's pretty awesome. Now, the cocktail that we have in front of me here is the Russian. And when I think about a Russian, I think about a big, burly, strong man, maybe Spetsnaz, action-oriented. Okay, maybe that's the 1980s and 90s action movies of my youth, but hey, that's okay. This cocktail comes to us from the 1930 Savoy Cocktail book by Harry Craddock. So let's get into it. This simple 3-ingredient cocktail is a classic. But even though it is a classic, and with these specific ingredients, you would think that it would be extremely booze forward. However, it's not. They all work together really, really well. And the 3 ingredients for this cocktail are gin, vodka, and creme de cacao. And they all work in equal measures of 1 ounce or 30 milliliters each. Now, this is an unusual cocktail for the time, because in the Savoy Cocktail book, there are only 2 cocktails with vodka in it. And this cocktail can be found on page 139 of the Savoy Cocktail book. Now, you'll see me reaching for some ice, and you'll think that maybe I'm actually going to stir this down. But I'm not. If you follow the directions closely, Harry Craddock says that we need to actually shake this cocktail. And we will shake it for 10 to 15 seconds until it's well chilled and well diluted. Now, once it's reached its optimal temperature, you're going to just pop the top, make sure you capture all the little bits that are over there. And we're going to put this in an up style. In this case, we are using a nice Nick Nora Glass. Now, the good thing about this cocktail is if you look at this, it's absolutely beautiful, and it looks like crystal clear water. Just gorgeous. This Russian cocktail looks like it's going to be very spirit forward. After all, it is only alcohol. However, let's take a look. It's very clear, almost water. Oh, and it smells really, really good. You get those hints of chocolate. Now let's see if the gin overpowers that. That's good. This is a great entry-level cocktail, especially for gin. It's nice. It has just enough chocolate to mask the harsher taste of the gin if you're a new gin drinker. Now, the gin that I used, which was the Dillon's gin, is a local gin to me. Really, really nice, smooth, has great botanicals in there, and it goes excellently in this cocktail. Harry Craddock got it right. Now, one of those things we'll do, if you're interested in watching some more of our videos, just take a check over here on the right-hand side and you'll see one of my newer videos and another video that you can look at. And if you're interested in subscribing to the channel, please hit the subscribe button down below and make sure you hit that bell notification. That way, every time we put up a new video, you will be notified. And you know what? Go check out Alchemix Bar with Carl and Riley. It is really, really good, and I'll put a link down in the description just for you. Normally, I don't have a cocktail made in front of me, and I'm not going to actually normally do the following. Hit stop.